So in Media Composer 6, 3D is very easy. So you don't have to even have expensive 3D monitors, because from here, the 3D view itself, you can see using a mix where it overlaps 50% of the left and right eye, or you can see in terms of the difference. So it goes into this mode, so you can see how much depth are there in this particular shot, the left and right eye. But we also do support the conventional side-by-side. And also, if you do not have a 3D monitor, you can still use our good old anaglyphic, which is the red and blue. So you can use glasses like this. You can watch this in 3D. Now, 3D here, we can do a lot of source side correction. That means you can actually correct them on the source, so you don't have to worry them during the edit. So if I were to toggle this now in the source, and I activate my 3D correction. So this is the left eye, this is the output, and this is the right eye. So you can see here we still have a choice, different choice of stereo mode. So in this case here, I can put all to my anaglyphics. This left eye, so I can start to do color correction on the right eye. Should the left and right eye do not match, I'm just going to do some extreme here. I'll just give you an idea. So that will change. I can put this to a side-by-side mode, so I can see my left and right eye properly. So let's say for this is the other eye. Just do something extreme here. You can see we can actually individually color correct for the eyes to left or right. Naturally, we can still use our color matching from left to right automatically using the color match functionality here. Now, other than doing color correction, we can also do a lot more camera errors type of correction. So we call it the spatial alignment in terms of the left or right eye. Now, usually when you shoot 3D, no matter how well you position the camera, there will be some minor adjustment due to somebody kicked the thing, the rig goes a little bit off. You can actually now do some correction in terms of the translation, center, scaling. So that means, for example, if I were to show you from this source here, I can now correct cameras that have lateral error, XY error. This is only to the left eye only. Or I correct just only to the right eye. So for example, if the zooming is wrong from one camera to the other, I can correct it with the zoom error. And also rotational, should one of the camera, the axis is off, you can go and readjust the adjustment map in terms of rotation and things like that. So there are a lot of controls now you have for 3D, and even the convergence can be adjusted whether through one eye or the other, or do it simultaneously. So you can have a lot of control in terms of the depth in the picture you are going to edit. Right. So we've got plenty of control here for 3D, which is all built into Media Composer. The toolsets are in there. You do not need to buy any additional third-party devices or third-party plugins, I should say, to do all this.